Hello everyone, welcome back to Moto Masti. I'm Bhavesh here, and today I've come back with another review for a biking jacket. I've been using this jacket since past 6 months. This is called as Shima Solid Pro. This is from Shima brand. It's a world-renowned brand. I love this jacket because this is very simple, very easy to use. I love the fitting. So I use it as my secondary jacket where I take it for my short rides or I can just pick up and wear it. So let me give you some features of this jacket, why I love this. First of all, I like the fitting overall. I love the sliders on the shoulder which are there. They make you look very nice, and it's again very useful because it protects you while in case if you have a fall. Coming to the armors of this jacket, it uses Shima Armor Plus, which are basically Shima's proprietary armors. They are CE certified AA class level 2. So you get by default for your shoulders as well as the elbows, shoulders and back protector. You have an optional where you can insert the chest guards, which I have not used because I use this jacket for short rides. This has got a very nice fine cut at the sleeves, making it very easy to operate, as well as it gives you a nice movement when you're riding. Again, you have nice vent in this jacket where you have it on the sleeve. Out here you have this main huge vent on the center, which helps you to take the inflow of the air. And then there are outside, the vent on the back, which helps you to get the air as an exhaust out, so keeping you cool inside. But yeah, let me tell you, this is not one of the coolest jacket. It will not give you a very breezy and cool feeling inside. But it uses Next Dry membranes in the fabric, which keeps this jacket dry during the monsoon. Light showers or rains will not make you wet inside. Also, it comes with inner liners for winter and monsoon. And coming to the overall fitting, these has got nice straps on the side, which you can adjust to give you that proper fit. Coming to the fabric of this jacket, it is quite thick, especially when you see at those critical points like your elbows and shoulders. The material is quite thick, and it has got three pockets. There are those two pockets on the side, which I can use to store my stuff, but these are not waterproof. And then there is one waterproof pocket given inside out here, which I can just, store my mobile or something valuable. And this is a waterproof one. And it has got a very nice and soft neck sleeve, this sleeve out here, which I can just, put it and just button it out here. Doesn't interfere on my around my neck, doesn't give me any irritation. So overall, this is nice jacket. It's again budget friendly. It will not cost you about, I think it is around about 14 or 15,000. And someone who's looking to, use it like a multi-weather, jacket, very good for rains and also during winter. It keeps you quite warm inside. And in case if you want to ride in mild summer, you just open up all the vents. I think for that purpose, it is perfect. Again, going for short rides, I would love to use this jacket. But if it's hot summer, maybe I would not recommend because it will not keep you that cool because it doesn't has other, ventilation inside. And the material is quite thick, and making it, that waterproof material, it will definitely be a little warm. So overall, thumbs up for this jacket. And for more reviews or more products, if you all want us to review, please put into the comments. And in case if you want to know more about this jacket, please comment. And meanwhile, let me sign off and we'll try to come up with something more. We are at this beautiful location. This is near Junar, which is somewhere near Marshall Ghat. And there is this nice sunset out here. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Moto Masti. So anyone who's interested in this jacket, you all can check out our description for more details. And if someone who's interested in buying this jacket, we have also put up a purchase link out there. Thank you. Keep riding, ride safe.